Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on this 2016 Ford F-150. It's four-wheel drive, and we installed a 6-inch rough country lift kit, and this is what you need to know in order to install a rough country lift kit. I'm not going to give you the instructions from step 1 to step 67. I'm just going to give you the best tips that I have for you coming from our shop, what we would recommend you having on hand in your driveway if you try to install this lift at your house. Two things. The first tip is you need to make sure to have an extra floor jack / some jack stands. The reason being is you'll see in the instructions it wants you to drop your differential. What you'll want to do is you'll want to support your truck with jack stands so that you can then use your jack to lower the differential, because you do not want to try to lower the differential on your back in the driveway. It's going to be a pain in the butt. Either have an extra floor jack or have some jack stands to be able to support the truck while you're using your floor jack. The second tip that I have is along the lines of the differential as well. You'll see that you need to cut your cross member on a four-wheel drive F-150. Don't freak out. You're purely making room to drop the differential down. And on the reciprocating saw, what I would recommend is making sure that you have like a 6 and a 9-inch blade, but also have a couple of them. Because in my experience, you'll run into a snag and you'll bend that reciprocating saw blade just a little bit, and it does not want to slide back and forth once it has a bend in it. So make sure you've got some extra reciprocating saw blades for cutting that cross member. And besides that, those are all the tips. Everything else is very straightforward from rough country and you'll get it no problem. If you want to know what tires and wheels we installed on this truck, go watch our walkthrough video. And if you want to know what we had to do to make this setup fit, how did we make these tires and wheels fit, go watch our Will It Fit video. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.